Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how the Mongol Empire fell. The immense Mongol Empire, once a unified force, gradually fractured into distinct, self-governing khanates. This fragmentation was largely driven by persistent internal conflicts and intense succession disputes among the Mongol leadership. These disagreements severely undermined the central authority, making it increasingly difficult to maintain control over such a vast and diverse territory. As a result, different regions began to develop their own unique cultural and political identities. Following the deaths of powerful great khans, intense disputes over leadership frequently erupted, plunging the empire into destructive civil wars. These conflicts directly led to the emergence of distinct entities like the Golden Horde, the Ilkhanate, the Chagatai Khanate, and the Yuan dynasty in China. Each of these powerful khanates began to operate with increasing autonomy, prioritizing their own regional interests. This often resulted in direct clashes and a lack of unified purpose, further weakening the overall Mongol power structure. Beyond internal struggles, the Mongol Empire faced growing external pressures. Local populations within conquered territories, tired of foreign rule, increasingly organized and launched significant resistance movements. Simultaneously, new powerful states began to emerge on the borders of the Mongol khanates, actively challenging their dominance and territorial claims. The constant state of warfare, both internal and external, placed immense economic strain on the khanates, depleting their resources and making it harder to maintain their vast armies and administrative structures. Ultimately, a significant factor in the empire's decline was the gradual assimilation of Mongol rulers into the local cultures and religions of their conquered lands. This adoption of diverse customs, from Islam in the West to Buddhism in the East, diluted their distinct Mongol identity and eroded the unified purpose that once bound them together. While the empire fractured, its legacy of cultural exchange and trade routes endured. For more great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.